Ciao everybody, Caterina here. Welcome to my kitchen. Well, I have a special treat for everybody. Today I have my sweet papa, not George Clooney, my sweet papa. Say hello to everybody.
Hello, everybody.
And my beautiful mother, the most beautiful woman in the world. Say hi, Ma.
Right.
That is right. I know I'm right. And my parents are going to make their spaghetti sauce with their famous meatballs. My parents are known for their meatballs, and they're going to share their recipe with you. Now let's get started. So, Pa, what are you doing now?
I'm gonna put extra virgin oil.
Olive oil in the pot?
Yeah.
Okay.
Extra virgin.
And we have the heat set at medium heat to low. That was approximately a quarter cup of olive oil. And now what are you going to do, Pa?
I'll put onion.
How much onion?
One.
One sweet onion?
Yeah.
Chopped.
Yeah.
So one chopped pepper, Ma?
Yeah.
And what are you going to do with the pepper?
Put it to fry.
To put it to fry? Okay. And now what are you doing, Ma?
So,
Let it fry. And the garlic, you have to put a little bit of garlic. Like this to fry, and then you take it out.
The 3 garlic cloves?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And now you're giving everything a good mix?
Yeah. You gotta fry every time,
Everything?
but not to get it burned.
Not to
yeah.
burn.
Yeah.
Okay. In the meantime, we're going to start with the meatballs. Here we have 1 cup of Italian breadcrumbs, right, Pa?
Yeah.
1 cup?
1 cup.
2 cups of Parmigiano Reggiano.
That's the best one.
It's the best cheese for this.
Pork
We have 500 grams of pork
and one.
and 500 grams of beef.
Where?
Veal.
Where?
2 cups of chopped parsley and chopped garlic, right, Pa?
Yeah.
My papa prepared this. Okay. We have 8 large eggs. My papa is scrambling them now before he's going to
To put inside the meat and everything is ready.
put inside the meatball
Yeah.
mixture. Okay, now what are you doing, Pa? You're going to
Put
put
it
it.
there and mix them up. And mix them up.
But now what?
Now we're gonna mix them up all together.
Okay.
Yeah. Lo sale lo mentiste.
It's okay.
Lo mettiste lo sale. So what are you doing now, Ma?
Pigliala con le mani.
Ti sei menzionata la bocca tu?
So what are you doing, Ma?
We just put the
A
salt.
little bit salt.
A little bit?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, it's okay, Ma. Okay, now you're going to put a little bit of pepper. What are you doing, Ma? A little bit
I'm
of
gonna put the black pepper
the black pepper. Okay.
to give you spice and taste.
And tasty? Okay. Pa, what are you doing now?
I mix them up all together.
You mix up all together?
Yeah, meat, preserve, everything.
Everything together?
Yeah.
Oh, it smells so good.
Say one by one.
One by one?
Bread, cheese ground, parsley, garlic, meat, and then to mix.
And then we mix. Okay, now what are we going to...
Now we put the salsa. in
Okay,
the-
now we're going back to the sauce?
Yeah,
Okay.
I put the sauce.
You're going to put the sauce?
Yeah, to start to boil.
And how many tomatoes, jars of tomatoes?
2 jars.
2 jars?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, and the second jar. Okay, Ma, now what are we going to do, Ma?
I let it start to boil, and then I put the boiling water and let it boil for a couple of hours.
Couple of hours?
Yeah.
Okay. Ma. No, vincila, papà me lo fa.
Ok, prova a muovere com'è di sale. To taste.
Com'è di sale?
Com'è?
Com'è di sale? Good. Ma, com'è di sale?
Good.
Good, it's good. Okay, now we're ready to prepare the meatballs. So my parents put a little bit of olive oil on their gloves. And now what are you doing, Ma?
I make it round.
Round meatballs?
Yeah.
But what are you doing?
Run.
Round?
I like a big.
Papa's making them big?
Okay.
Se ti pigliano un raddoppio.
Picchiano surdo.
It's okay. We have big meatballs and we have small meatballs. It's okay. Amma, how many years have you been making these meatballs, Ma? How many years?
Since I have 10 years.
Since you were 10 years old?
Yeah.
Really?
My mother died and I started to cook.
And the meatballs are ready. These are my parents' famous meatballs. Bob, are they ready?
Yeah, it's a
Pa, these are all your friends from your hometown?
yeah,
You like watching them on YouTube?
yeah.
Singing? You miss them, Pa? You miss them, eh, with this COVID? You haven't seen them in 5 years? Well, God willing, maybe you'll see them next year, Pa? You think so? Wouldn't it be fun? You want God to support you to go see them? Oh, you want to be there singing with them now? And you play cards with these friends of yours at the bar? Aw. We're back to preparing the sauce. We're going to add 4 cups of boiling hot water to the sauce. Ma, be careful, Ma. I don't want you to burn yourself. Careful.
1, 2, 3. Good luck, Caterina sauce.
Ma, when do we add the meatballs? Now?
Oh. Good try, Mom.
Okay. You're adding a little bit of salt at a time. A little bit at a time.
Yeah. I'm like this.
Okay. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. Kosnić, da se mu uđe pe na ur.
Okay, now start to boil the water with the meatballs and the salad.
So you're just good.
You're supposed to boil at least for 1 hour, a little bit more. Depends how they taste it.
1 hour?
1 hour.
Another.
Oh, it's ready to put the meatball inside.
Inside the sauce?
This sauce, yeah.
It's been cooking for half an hour.
For 1 hour, it's okay.
And now you're adding the meatballs, and the
Yeah.
meatballs are going to cook in the sauce for how long?
1 hour. 1 hour is ready.
1 hour, and then we can have meatballs? Yeah. Okay. Okay, now what are you doing? By giving it a good mix?
Yeah, mix them up. After 1 hour, everything is ready. It's coming beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's been an hour. Our meatball and our sauce is ready. Oh,
Beautiful. Look. It's fantastic.
Però aspetta, no? Oh, good. Wonderful. E allora chiudalo. Chiudalo così. No?
how does it smell, Pa?
Smell good.
Smells good?
Yeah, beautiful.
Okay. So I removed 3. We're going to taste them, Ma. We're going to taste them?
Picchiandolo piccolo tu.
It's okay, Ma. Here, we'll take like this. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, beautiful. Okay, we're just going to taste it for our friends and let them know what it tastes like. Okay, here, Ma. Taste. How is it, Ma? Ma, how does it taste? Like
Beautiful.
Cool.
Number 1.
Very cool.
Very, very good. Okay, but you taste it now. Okay, bigyan mo ito.
Oh, beautiful.
How is it, Pa?
It's number 1. That's the first time it's coming beautiful.
They came out fantastic. Okay, now I'm going to taste it. Oh, so meatball sandwiches for dinner.
Oh, quanto il caccio mentre lo succo di sopra ed è molto buona.
So good.
Ma le do senza lo caccia loro questa sera.
Absolutely delicious, right, Ma?
Wonderful.
What, Pa? Delicious?
Loro, enjoy what you
I do a nice job.
You did a nice job. You sure did.
do.
You did a nice job. We all did a nice job.
E Katia e Martina.
Yes, we all did a great job. I want to thank you all so much for joining me today. You really must try this wonderful recipe by my parents, my sweet papa, and my beautiful mother, the most beautiful woman in the world. And
Thank you.
Okay, but we're gonna send kisses. Send kisses.
I eat antipasta twice just
Ciao.
because she is so nice, Angelina.
From my home to yours.
Angelina.
So, don't forget to hit your like button, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my
I
channel.
keep soup and minister
Why? Why?
just to be with her.
Ci siamo mangiando un po' di succo sopra lo mette bene.
Okay.
Che testa mangia bene.
Yes.
Good.
Waitress said the pizza.
He doesn't want to do that? He has a hard head?
Hardy head.
He's a calabrese?
Angelina.
Calabrese con la testa dura?
Mamma ti viene una cosa me la fai tu, me la faccio buona. Io me la faccio. Se no
Ok.
non ti mangi.
Ciao.
Passione. You have set